Oh, folks, last time we seen this, I had to start it with a screwdriver. The deck was seized. This hood was rough, really rough. But let's see, fix the headlights. Not bad. Hood props up like this, which is kind of cool. I need one of these covers, the long one. Oops. So yeah, we got that. Turn those lights off. Fixed. Then we went and got this. What is this? I don't know what this is. Big exhaust. Got a good motor. I heard it run. Throttle's way off. I love the tank, not the decals. Someone did a shitty job. That's kind of cool. Handlebars are sweet. Look at this front end. The rake is that rake is something. Man, did I need this damn thing? Probably not. I thought it was cool. So that's my second chopper. I haven't decided if I'm gonna keep it. I'm probably gonna keep it. But that one's coming along pretty good too. That one needs a complete paint job. But yeah, man, that's that mower. I'll be dipped. Fix my tires. Everything works. Right? Alright, folks. Until next time. Oh, yeah. And just to show, right? Oh. Junk motors. Only a little bit of walking. I know it's gonna bounce. That one I showed the other day, man, I'm pretty shocked. I bought that thing for, I don't know, 250 bucks with a tiller and a snow blower. I sold the tiller for 350, so I guess I'm into this for a new car. But we're gonna move it on. I cleaned up. That's all I got left. Alright, folks. But new chopper. I don't know if I can get to it this year. I might have still time. Yeah. There's my other 2 bikes. Alright folks, until next time. Stony out.